This opportunity is for you if you're looking for an affordable country where you can study with zero tuition, free accommodation, a monthly stipend, and the chance to bring your family. And I'm talking about this particular country in Europe, Romania. Now, Romania Government Scholarship 2026-2027 makes this possible. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to apply. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know how we do it here. I share weekly videos about scholarship, study abroad, and affordable education opportunities in Europe and Canada and across the world. Okay, in today's video, we'll cover all you need to know about Romania's Government Scholarship 2026-2027, the eligibility, benefits, application process, deadlines, and family reunification options as well. This is if you're looking towards bringing your family after you've settled in. And the reason you're having this video come up your timeline right now is just so you can prepare. Of course, December and January is here. So let's get right into the video. Remember, if you want personalized support, join our channel membership for one-on-one consultations and also document review. Okay, so let's go. Now, this scholarship is funded by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and it is designed for international students across Africa, Asia, the Middle East, and South America. And this scholarship is open for bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. This scholarship does not have an IELTS requirement, okay? But then they offer you preparatory Romanian language courses because you have to study in Romanian language. Now, I'm going to repeat myself. For the bachelor's and the master's programs, they are taught in Romanian language. This is what this particular scholarship covers. So if you'll be applying for this, you don't need the IELTS for English, but you need to enroll firstly for the Romanian preparatory language course for 1 year before you proceed to learning your full program or your full study cycle. Okay. Now, this particular scholarship as well allows students to bring families after obtaining your residence permit. Now, Romania is also one of Europe's most affordable countries with living costs between 300 to 400 euro per month in most cities. Now, what do you get with this scholarship? You'll be getting a full tuition coverage, free university accommodation, a monthly stipend. Now, for bachelors, you should be getting around 65 euro per month. Convert that to Romanian currency. They don't use the euro currency in Romania, so their currency is a little bit better compared to, in terms of the conversion rate, if you have to spend in the Romanian currency, yeah? Now, for masters, you should be getting around 75 euro per month. I know it is not a lot, but then in Romania, it looks like it's a lot based on the cost of living in Romania. Now, for PhD, you should be getting around 85 euro to 130 euro per month with the health insurance, language course for beginners, access to part-time jobs, low cost of living, family reunification after registration. Essentially, this scholarship covers the major costs, leaving you free to focus on your studies. And this is what many of us want to have, opportunity to study without the stress of worrying about your tuition fee. Now, how do you qualify for this one? Please pay attention. Now, you must not hold Romanian or any European Union citizenship. Okay, I'm going to be showing on my screen now the screen record of the website and the platform. Presently, you would see that the application is not open, and this is because the application will be opening shortly. And this video is to get you prepared so you don't be among the late applicants. This is why you have this, so you can get prepared and apply early. Okay, now we're talking about the qualifications and the eligibility to get this one. You also have to, have a bachelor's degree required for your master's program. If you're going for a bachelor's degree, you need your high school certification, obviously. Now, you need a clean academic record. They want you to make sure that you have a good, outstanding record. Okay, it says what? At least 7 corresponding to the scoring system in Romania, or the good score as the case. So you want to make sure you have at least the score corresponding to 7 or rated as good in the Romanian grading system. Okay, now again, The qualification that you would need again would be making sure that your academic documents are translated into English if you're not from an English speaking country, French or Romanian. Okay, so you translate them to either English, French, or Romanian language. Now, it is very flexible. This is making it one of the easiest European scholarships to apply for. So you don't want to miss this. Now, what are the documents you need to apply? You need your passport, you need your birth certificate, you need your national identification or whatever identity card you've got, of course, the official ones. You need your academic transcript, you need your degree certificates, for those of you going for master's and your PhD, you need a CV and resume, very important. You need a motivational letter. Remember, if you are applying to schools for scholarships, you should know that you are writing a CV you should make an academic CV, not the work CV. Okay. Now you need a medical certificate, motivation letter I mentioned earlier, your passport photograph, and then this is optional, recommendation letters. This would mostly be required for PhD students. Now make sure everything is certified and translated. Okay. Remember, missing documents could delay or disqualify your application. Okay. Now, how do you apply? Applications are submitted online via the official Study in Romania portal. So you just have to fill out your personal details, upload all the required documents, select up to 3 preferred universities, submit your application. That's it. So no application fees. The submission is fully done online. Now, there is a notification on this website that says if you attempt to contact the Romanian government or the Ministry of Foreign Affairs by email, thereby submitting your documents to them, you would be disqualified and your application will be rejected. So please do not contact them for any reason. I mean, you can ask questions, but not contacting them to apply directly by email. Okay, please, all application has to be done via the online portal. Okay, please do your submission online and to avoid story that touches. Now, timelines and deadlines, very important. Applications for the 2026-2027 academic year are expected to open in January 2026. Again, this is why you have this video. Get prepared, get your documents ready, and then it usually would close around March 2026. So basically 3 months of application time. Now, this is based on previous cycle. We don't have a specific date as to when it's going to be open for now. But of course, if you have this video, make sure you share it to yourselves or share it to friends and family so that you keep an eye and you keep watching to see when, especially on the website, to see when they started the application for the coming year. Okay? Always double check the official website for updated dates. Now, why should you even choose Romania? Romania is ideal if you want affordable living, if you want an European degree. If you also want part-time work opportunities, Romania is ideal for you, especially as a student, and you also get the benefits to come with your family, bring your family after you've settled in as a student. This is a very good one. Okay, now this is a scholarship that allows family reunification, like I said, so you don't want to miss this. Take your time and apply. Don't rush things. Take your time, apply, go through your application over and over and over again, making sure everything is properly done. Make proper research. Aside from this video you are seeing, make proper research from the school, from the website, the courses you are applying to. Again, I want to call out that this scholarship does not cover, it covers almost all the programs, but it doesn't cover you if you're going for medicine, dentistry, or pharmacist. It doesn't cover this. Okay, yes. So guys, this is all for today. If you want personalized guidance, like I said earlier, on choosing programs, preparing documents, or of course, if you have questions you'd like to ask me one-on-one, I'm here to help you. Make sure to join the channel membership. Click on join and select whatever perks you'd like to go for. The links is going to be in the description or in the comment section. Okay? And until then, if you have any question, put it in the comments. I'll be reading your question and I'm going to answer. And I'll see you on the next one. Okay? Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.